Hi.
Hello, I'm Mark.
Hi. We love food. Our mission is to change the way people eat forever.
I am a financial controller.
I am a recipe developer at HelloFresh.
I work on the partnerships and new business team.
I'm a team lead business development.
I'm the community manager of Flanders.
It's very dynamic and I really can make a contribution to help the company grow.
I speak every day with a lot of different brands.
It's really special to know that a lot of people are eating your recipes for dinner.
The most impressive thing is definitely the eagerness and the speed of the company.
It's incredible to see how much we accomplished in a short amount of time.
Everybody's highly motivated and dedicated to make the business a success.
Young, creative.
Growth and operational excellence.
Ambitious and data focused.
I like the work environment, the responsibilities, but also the trust that I got from day one.
Where there's space for lots of ideas.
With high learning potential.
You can really make a difference.
And we have always much fun.
There are a lot of activities planned, such as boxing, yoga and bootcamp.
I moved to Amsterdam specifically for this job and I haven't had a regret since.